How to fix filters not available on Instagram problem. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now go to your recent apps and try to restart the application. If this doesn't fix your issue, go back to your home screen, keep holding the Instagram icon and tap on info icon. Now tap on force stop. Now select force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now go back to your home screen, open a Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now tap on search. Now tap on Instagram and tap on update. So by following this simple step, you can fix filters not available on Instagram. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.